Happy birthday ko Iton. Sana dapat pang birthday datang keka. Imingat lagi. I love you. More birthday to come.
Natunangan.
Mm.
Happy birthday, Ton. Sana dakal pandatang nga blessing kaya ka. God bless you, Ton. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Jason Bato. I wish you all the best, mate, and God bless.
Go.
Happy birthday, Parinton. Enjoy your birthday. Ingat lagi. Walang iwanan. Pinsan, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday.
Pariton. Happy birthday kaya ka na eh. Oo, pasensya na ka. Bisa kami man magipag-inuman kaya ka, pero atyo kami ken ikin Dubai eh. Paboren mo, ken tutukin birthday mo. Atyo kami ken, para makapag-inom tao. Mimingat ka lagi ken. Happy birthday Pasbayo, ha?
Happy birthday, Kuya Ton. More birthdays to come and good health sa'yo. At maraming salamat sa laging pag-aalaga at titingin sa pamilya natin. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hello, happy birthday Kuya Ton. More birthdays to come. Lahat ng mga pagsubok na dumadaan sa buhay natin ay malalagpasan lang natin at magtiwala lang tayo sa taas. At maraming salamat sa pagtulong at paggabay sa amin at sa aking mga pamilya na nandito sa Pilipinas. Dito lang ako, dyan ka lang. Okay? Cheers tayo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Ton.
Happy birthday, Tito Ton. Salamat sa lahat ng gabay na bigay mo sa akin over the years. Grateful ako for all the memories and pagsasama natin simula bata pa lang, and especially this year. I wish you all the best. Sana matupad lahat ng gusto mong magawa and maganap ang mga pangarap mo. And tsaka sana marami pang tagay na dumating. Salamat ulit. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tol. Wish kaya kami yung birthday mo. Sana more blessing at saka good health. Tuloy mo kung anong gagawin mo ngayon eh. Datang Ingaldo po ngayon. Basta lagi mong nadalan na choco muna gini para kaya. Love you, Tol. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Joan. Hope you have a great one. We're with you, thinking about you. Sitting here now, summertime, Wang's left. Just seeing what we're going to be doing here for the summer. Spent the day at the lake today. It was awesome. Happy birthday. Right on.
Tito Ton. What are you gonna say to Tito Ton?
Happy birthday, Tito Ton. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I love you. Mom's telling me to do this, by the way.
Remember when Katy Perry changed her outfit 5 times during a single song?
Happy birthday, bro. I love you and I miss you guys so much. Enjoy your day today. I wish you all the best in life and stay healthy and just enjoy life every day. I'm so proud of you. So proud of you. As a father of your son and as my brother and husband to Isai.
see without glasses, right? So yeah, it's
We are on the way on our concert show. We're gonna watch a concert and enjoy, bro. Stay healthy and stay happy every day, okay? Have fun. Enjoy your birthday surprise. Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo sana maging successful yung business mo, yung mga pangarap nyo ng mga pangarap mo sa mga anak mo at maging forever kayo ni Isay. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Ton. Oo, so i-enjoy mo lang yung ano mo, pag-celebrate ng birthday mo, then make the best out of everything sa life mo, sa daily walks of life. So all we can say is like wishing you all the best success in life, and God bless you always na makamit mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay mo. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Love you.
So before this day ends, I just wanted to wish Papa a happy birthday. I wish you good health and life, and even though hindi ako ganun ka-showy sa feelings ko, I just wanted you to know that I appreciate you so much for all your efforts, and I love you kahit lagi tayo nag-aaway. Yun lang po, happy birthday.